Hey guys, my name is Michael Sanchez. Welcome to day one of my crash course on how to create an online business using AI. Now, I actually want to show you guys exactly what got me into AI. I'm actually a marketing consultant, and when I saw somebody show me this particular piece of software related to AI, I was blown away. It actually is what got me really into AI because I was like, I've been doing all these things, spending all this money, spending all this time creating websites, creating copy, creating, all these different marketing assets. And it's taken me, a lot of time. So it's like, it's very risky when you're doing all these things and it's costing you a lot of time and money. So this particular website, I want to show you guys first, just to excite you. Hopefully it excites you as much as it excited me. So the website is called gamma.app. So I highly recommend for you guys to check it out. And basically what you can do is you can create an entire website by just a prompt, just a click of a button. So let me just show you guys. So if I go to create new AI, I can generate from text, I can generate from prompts, I can generate from files, but I'm just going to generate it from a prompt. So what I can do is I can click how many sections I want on the website, and then I can just basically put in a prompt. I can say build a website that teaches people how to improve their finances and vision of creating wealth. Okay, so that's just a random prompt. I'm gonna go generate outline. Bam! It just creates the entire outline for me. Now, some of you guys might be familiar with ChatGPT, and you know that outlines are very, very useful with ChatGPT. This takes it to another level as far as it allows us to actually build the entire website, which covers the color scheme, the style, the buttons, the prompts, the title tags. Everything is done for you, which saves you a ton of time. So this next part, and I wanted to make sure to include this in the beginning of the day one training because it's just so exciting. So I can choose to have it be a little bit more of a brief website, more of a medium style, text length, or more detailed. Let's go ahead and just make it medium. And watch it go to work. Actually, one step before that. So now I choose just what kind of style as far as the fonts. I go through and just pick what I like. So let's say I like this one. I generate. Let's see what happens. So all this is being done as I'm talking to you right now. The entire website is being formatted. It's being built. And what's really cool about it is that also images are being formatted and plugged into the site. So all the images are, you don't have to worry about copyright infringement. All the text is, you don't have to worry about plagiarism. Like literally, this is going to be your website. And just to give you guys a background, I started doing online business back in 2008. And I can't even tell you how seriously depressing it was to build websites back then, because even what you put on the page manually, which by the way just takes tons of time, wasn't exactly what people are seeing when they're on their computers. So like, you'd set up this nice website and then people would be messaging you and say, hey, what's wrong with your website? This is broken. This is not in the right place. So that was what we were dealing with if you were building websites back during that era. So I spent tens of thousands of dollars on websites and freelancers to help me fix things. So that's why I'm so excited. I mean, compared to probably the average person, but maybe you've tried to build a website even using like a tool like a Wix, or but you get lost because even with a template, you got to add to the template. What do I put here? What do I put there? It's kind of overwhelming. All right, let's go to the top here. Let's see what was actually built for us. There we go. So you can see the entire thing is built. We got images, we got text, we got strong titles, we got nice formats, we got graphs that are built for us, we got images, we got sections, and everything can be adjusted. You can actually tell AI, I want this adjusted. I want a photo different than this. It's really, really easy to do. So I can go right here, for example, edit with AI. I can improve the writing. I can be more simplistic. I can make it longer. I can change out to a different layout. So let's just try that different layout. So it's just going to work. It's like having somebody at your side, like a buddy, that's just kind of telling you, what do you want changed? What do you want adjusted? And they're just doing the adjustment. It's amazing. So you can see that was adjusted to a different graph. So like literally I can present this, I can publish this, and I can build out simple parts of the website. I can build out a blog. I can build out a contact form. I can build out everything that it takes to where literally within really 30 minutes, I have an entirely functioning website. Give me a thumbs up if that's really, really cool, because that really blew me away and what got me into sort of learning how to understand and utilize AI. Cool. So yeah, I mean, I've built multiple websites for clients. So that's just one aspect of AI that's extremely cool. I encourage you guys just to go in here and just start checking it out, trying different prompts, just like you might have done at one point with ChatGPT, and just see the capabilities, see all the things that can be done. It's just unbelievable. Cool. So all you guys that are listening to this, you guys are in a different place. I want to show you guys my first business that I created, just so you guys can get kind of a background of me. So I created Violin Tutor Pro back in 2008, and it's still one of the leaders for violin instruction online. You can see my picture, you can see my followers, the amount of videos I've created. So, I mean, you're talking to somebody that's been basically making money online since 2008. This business did about 5 million total in sales over the span of like 8 years. So this was my first business I created. I have a lot of good strategy of like lead magnets and email marketing and, content marketing, social media retargeting. I've been running Facebook ads for like 15 years. So like you're talking to somebody that, I charge $125 an hour just on Upwork, just for my services. I work with a lot of 7-8 figure clients. But the reason why I show you all this is because I come from a background already having a lot of knowledge of online business. AI just takes things to like a hyper level, which is basically I can tell a client, with one call, one conversation, hey, this is a good idea. Let's do this, this, and this. Let's get this done. Let's get it set up and let's launch this thing. Let's start making some money. It basically AI allows us to start making money quickly because we don't have to worry about a lot of the setup, a lot of the fees, a lot of the time that freelancers will not get back to you. And they'll say, oh yeah, I'll finish this, I'll finish that, and it's not done yet. There's a lot of challenges. And the biggest thing that's nice to be able to do in marketing is to be able to actually do A/B testing. And that's the concept of maybe this course, this landing page didn't work as well. So let's just create another one. Let's make it simple and create another one. So there's a lot of value to being able to quickly make changes when it comes to online business. Okay. When I discovered this, my mind was blown to where this is my theory. I believe that everybody should create an online business. I mean, why wouldn't you, right? So, my vision of this particular course and in this crash course that I'm taking you guys through is to help you guys see the vision that you can get into any sort of online business, no matter who you are, what you do. There's probably some mindset challenges that I need to maybe help you through. And also just show you more tools, because once you understand all the capabilities, there's no reason why you shouldn't at least do this on the side, even as you're doing your regular job. There's just so much potential and such a low risk, right? The low risk is that I don't have to pay for a website. I don't have to pay for writing copy, which we'll get to in a future part of the course. I don't have to pay for scripts. I don't have to worry about outlines. I don't have to worry about writing copy for Facebook ads. I don't have to worry about creating graphics. I can't tell you how much these things cost and how difficult and challenging it is to build an online business when you don't know what you're doing. And then you also have the hurdle of having to pay time and money, and take the risk if it's going to work or not. And maybe some of you guys are out there, like you've tried A, B, and C and it hasn't worked. So you're sort of coming from the mindset of like, you're sort of broken in that you've tried things and you've wasted. You have a lot of waste. But what I want to show you is just that pathway to not have that waste, to have it be 100% certain that, you're going to be able to build something out. And guys, I really believe this is the way of the future. I mean, a lot of jobs are going to get obsolete. They're already getting obsolete as we speak. I mean, like copywriters are going to be obsolete. Website developers are going to be obsolete based on this. A lot of jobs in marketing are going to be obsolete because of the tools. And I'm in the marketing world, so I see marketing, but this is happening all over the place. I mean, I heard like there's a McDonald's even now that like it's all automated. It's actually people are not working there. Like it's just all automatic robots that are serving your food. I mean, this is the way of the future. So I really believe everybody needs to create some level of online business to where it's their thing. They don't have the fear of getting replaced because it's their business. and you have the ability to make money into the future and not have to worry about it, not working 10 years from now, 20 years from now. Because with AI, there's always going to be a need for some level of instruction or help, personal human interaction. But if you're working a regular job, I mean, I'm telling you, the people there at the top, they're they're brainstorming how to make things more efficient and automated. I hate to say that. So this is a really good time for you guys to consider basically trying to run your own business and learning how to do it. And with my crash course, you guys are going to learn the basics of everything, all the tools, all the software and everything. And I also put together a course that teaches you everything about how to set things up from A to Z to where you just follow the directions, right? And it's going to start a lot with, what exactly am I going to be selling? What exactly am I going to be doing? And that's going to be coming in the next day, in the next lesson. I'm going to be talking about niches, what to do, what not to do. And that's really from my experience as a consultant. So you're going to get a lot of that through my course, that I'm not just showing you all the tools, but I'm explaining to you, the pros and cons of taking different directions, such as like if you go into a business that helps people make money like this one, it's actually a little bit more challenging. If your targeting is too wide, too broad, it's more challenging. So you need to also understand some of the little pitfalls that can happen, which maybe you've already fallen into, and why they're pitfalls. Okay. So I really hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I highly encourage you for day one to just go to gamma.app and just start browsing. There's a link below for you to click on just to start browsing and just see the capabilities. Get excited. It starts there. It starts with you getting excited about AI and building something. And I've built an entire community, guys, that's basically people that are interested in building their own business online. A lot of beginners are in there, but we can all encourage each other. So I encourage you to join the Facebook group that you see on this page. To me, it's a really big part of helping a lot of people, is that they're able to see things, they're able to talk to people, they're able to ask questions about AI and building an online business. I want to be very supportive with you guys. So I encourage you guys to check that out, to join the group. And then once you start, playing around, go to lesson 2, which is going to be like the plan of us actually deciding what we're going to do. And I'm going to give you guys some very valuable insights. Very good. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon. See you in the next one. Click over to day 2 once you're ready.